Are you craving a fresh, versatile hairstyle that strikes the perfect balance between sophistication and ease? Look no further than medium-length layered hair. This timeless style offers a multitude of options for those seeking a chic and manageable look. Whether you prefer subtle layers for added movement or dramatic layers for extra volume and dimension, there's a style to suit every taste and occasion. For those craving a more daring look, consider opting for a collarbone length cut with bold, choppy layers. This edgy yet feminine style adds instant flair and personality to your hair, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to make a statement. Whether you prefer tousled waves for a beachy vibe or sleek, straight strands for a more polished look, this versatile cut allows for endless styling possibilities, ensuring you'll always stand out from the crowd. Last but not least, for those who desire maximum volume and movement, the layered lob is the ultimate choice. This shoulder grazing style features long layers throughout the length of the hair, creating a voluminous and dynamic look that's both modern and glamorous. Whether styled with loose curls for a romantic evening out or sleek and straight for a sophisticated touch, this versatile cut is guaranteed to elevate your look and leave you feeling confident and beautiful. In conclusion, medium-length layered hair offers endless possibilities for those seeking a stylish and manageable hairstyle. Whether you prefer a classic shoulder-length cut with soft layers, a bold collarbone-length style with choppy layers, or a voluminous layered lob, there's a look to suit every taste and occasion. So why wait? Embrace the versatility and elegance of medium-length layered hair and elevate your look today.